Remote Team Superhub, where work and fun collide. Do you know that in the evolving work landscape, remote work is now a permanent fixture? According to the Forbes Advisor, by 2025, 32.6 million Americans will work remotely, with global implications. Are you concerned about bonding with your remote team? Unlock success with Outgrow Tools in the age of productivity and collaboration. Outgrow's calculator tool simplifies complex projects, creating interactive calculators to engage and empower your team. With Outgrow, create surveys and polls for your remote team to speed up communication and engagement. Try our quizzes and assessments for deeper insights and continuous growth. Test and learn anywhere for your team. Lift team spirits with giveaways and contests. Make work fun. Outgrow Tools isn't just a toolkit, it's your collaboration hub. Unite your team no matter where they are. Start your free trial now to chart a successful future of remote work. Don't forget to follow us.